welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to buy a new car. So let's go. So yes guys, I have this parkour to do, and yeah, I will tell you. So today I'm going to drop my friend. Where's my friend? Let him go, bro. So let's go at my home. So let's go from the different way. I'm not going to go from the same way, so let's go from this way and we'll be at my home. So let's go. So here up there's my home. Let's get the speed done at 200, bro. We got the speed, guys, so let's go. There is my home. Let's park the car. So we're here. So let's go and get the car and let's go. And we're going to the dealership and let's go. So close the garage. Oh man! Oh man! Finally, guys, let's go, bro. Let's go and sell our Cybertruck, bro. 200 speed. There's red light. Let's skip that red light, guys. Let's go from this different way. No police, I think. I don't know if there's police or not. Here's my friend, guys. Let's park the car and leave. So the car I want to buy, let me show you. There's like 3 options. So the first one is this Ferrari, and the other is the Lamborghini Huracan. Let me show you guys the Lamborghini I'm talking about. So there's 2 options. So there, I forget to tell. I didn't. There's 3 options actually. The last one is not the Cybertruck. Is this? Where is that, bro? Where are you? This Nissan GDR, guys. So it's a nice car. So we'll take this Nissan GDR and wait. The car is done, or GTR is there. So let me go and show you the car. So the car is there, and let's go and head there. Let's go in the car. Let's sit in the car and let's drive. And let's go. Alright, so let's go. Finally, your car is done. Let's go. So let's go and take a test drive. Oh man. Let's go at the speed 200 and set, and let's go, and it's done. So let's drive the car. So let's go, guys. So let's go. So let's go, guys. So let's drive, and it's smooth car and the best. Not the best, but a good car. And oh, you guys just saw that? Let's head to the dealership. Ooh, this is a nice car, guys. A Tesla, guys. A Tesla. Oh man, let's go. We're there at the dealership, and let's park the car. And oh man, so guys, let's let the car be modified and let's drive it. let's go back at our home. So let's park the car and let's go. Where, bro? Oh man. So let's go. Let's go and let to be the car modify. And let's go. Let's get back and let's sit here and wait for the car to be modified. Let's sit here and wait for guys. The car is done and let's take the car. So first we will pay. I will pay. I don't know where is the arm. I don't know where is the guy. I don't know. Like there's no one in the dealership. So I will put the cash over here and let's go. So let's take our car, Nissan GDR. Let's take this car. Maximum speed to 200 mean 200. So let's take the car and so you know it's me. Oh man, let's go. We bought the new car, so let's go to buy some food. So let's go guys. Let's get there. Oh man, so let's go guys. Let's go. Oh man, so let's go. So let's go over there. Oh man. So let's get there and so let's go and so we're there and I crashed the car. No problem. Let's park the car and get there to get our food. There's the restaurant from where I'm going to buy the food. So let's go. So this is the Brookhaven post office and up there the restaurant Los Panchasorakara. Let's get the food. Let's eat it. Let's eat. Yummy, bro. Let's go now. I finished my meal. Let's get the Nissan GDR. Let's get to home and sleep. Let's take the car and let's go, man. So let's go. Bro, what is this? I don't know what it is, but let's park the car inside the garage. So let's park the car and bro. So let's go. So let's get in the limousine, guys. So now I have to do is to go and in the limousine. Let's get in the limousine, guys. So let me close the garage and let's go, guys. Let's get inside the car and drive the car. So what happened? Wait. So let's drive the car to okay, It's 200 speed and let's go from here to the dealership. Bro, it's too easy, bro. How? No, nothing. So let's change the color of our limousine, and finally the new color. So let's go home and sleep. What can I do now? Let's go, guys. Let's go up and let's go. There's a new house. Bro, I don't know who did this, but let's park the car. And if you like the video, guys, so like, share and subscribe, and bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe.